Okay, today we're going to talk about prepositions. American prepositions can be tricky if English is your second language. You might not use the right preposition in the right phrase. So we're going to do a series of videos on prepositions. So the first one we're going to work on is at, A-T, at. So at can be used in a number of ways. We're going to start out with at being used for location, where something is. And some common expressions where at is used for location are at home, at school, at work, at the office, at the station, at the airport, at the park, at the corner, at the table, at the front or at the back, at the door, at the window. And then it can be used to express time. For instance, at midnight, at noon, at dawn or at dusk, at the moment, at the same time, at this hour, at Christmas or at Easter. And then we use at for some expressions that indicate the condition or the situation. For instance, at risk, at peace, at fault, at ease, at war, at a loss, at random, or at work on something. And then at can be used to indicate action or interaction. For instance, at a glance, at a distance, at the top of one's voice, at a standstill, at play, at odds, at the helm, at full speed, at first glance, at the end of the day. So let's practice using at in some sentences. So repeat them after me, and you can also be practicing your prosody, or the way your voice goes up and down, at the same time. She's at the office working on the proposal. I'll be at my desk if you need me. He's at the reception desk waiting for you. We had lunch at the cafe near our building. I'll see you at the entrance of the building. The supplies are stored at the back of the warehouse. She's standing at the counter helping a customer. We'll meet at the front gate after work. And here's some more. By the way, those indicated location, and here's some indicating time. The meeting starts at 9 a.m. sharp. Let's schedule a follow-up at noon tomorrow. The office closes at 6 p.m. every day. The presentation is scheduled at the beginning of the session. The team usually takes a coffee break at 3 p.m. I'll call you at lunchtime to confirm. The deadline for submission is at the end of the day. He arrived at midnight to finalize the report. We'll regroup at dawn to start the project. These are some busy people. The lights are automatically turned off at night. All right, and here's some sentences for at being used to indicate a condition or a state. The company is currently at risk of missing its targets. I felt completely at ease during the interview. The negotiations are at a standstill due to disagreements. Everyone was at a loss when the system crashed. She is at peace with the decision to leave. The two departments are often at odds over resources. He's at fault for the delay in the delivery. The CEO is at the helm of this restructuring effort. The team worked at full speed to complete the task before the deadline. Okay, so there you have it. That is the preposition at, with some examples of how to use it. Hope this helps. Stay tuned for another video on a different preposition.